Hi, Tweetie here. We have links down below the descriptions, and we have plenty of playlists for you. There are so many companies out there right now, if you were to look them up, that sell little solar lights that get charged during the daytime, and you can bring in the house and they run for 6 and 8 hours. So that would help you out through the winter. If the storm came through and knocked out your electricity for a couple of days. And there are other solar gadgets worth looking into. Radios, there are little solar chargers for your cell phone. There's so many different little gadgets and things you can get. Even if your electricity is only cut off for a few hours or a few days, that way you can be sure to have a nice time with some extra lighting and extra abilities to know what's going on in the world and have access to your cell phone or tablet. A couple of small panels, a battery, and some lights will go a long way toward adding a little bit of comfort on a dark night. Anyway, if all these tips have helped you, give us a thumbs up. If you like these informational tips, subscribe so you can get more. Angels all around. Bye now.